Hey, thanks for stopping by and taking the time to view this video. I'm Jenny, and welcome to my channel, Money Talks. I've been making a living online since 2007 and wanted to share some of the methods I've been using over the years to generate a great income. I'll share the most up-to-date methods and systems so you can start to make money straight away. Plus, you'll avoid the mistakes I've made along the way. So, if you're ready to make money online, then please pay close attention. There are loads of people, just like you, who have been trying to make money online. And no matter how hard you try, you suffer failed attempt after failed attempt, losing your hard-earned money in the process. People have told me how they followed those online gurus who promised the earth and it goes absolutely nowhere. Then you become frustrated and start to believe it's impossible. Well, let me tell you, with the right programs and support, nothing is impossible. And I'll prove it. Back in 2007, I initially started my online journey dropshipping. Although my methods have evolved, this is still something I do today, which I've shared in one of my videos. I'll also share free money-making methods and how to become successful in the multi-billion-dollar industry of affiliate marketing. I'll provide the best affiliate programs and how you can make a significant income from them. What you'll learn on this channel is not only how to make an income, but the tools to generate a passive income. All you have to do is simply follow the guides in my videos. Everything will be provided for you step by step. What I'll teach you will be amazing. Most online coaches would charge you a small fortune. However, all the detail you receive in my videos are given to you absolutely free. You can use these methods to either make some additional cash on the side or to use to make a full-time income. Imagine having the freedom to work the hours you want, being able to spend more time with friends and family, and finally break away from the 9-to-5 rat race. With no limitations, you can work from any location, anywhere in the world. The possibilities are endless. One thing I do want to explain is the methods and systems in my videos are not get-rich-quick schemes. Why? Because they don't actually exist. All the methods in my videos are tried and tested. All you have to do is follow the step-by-step tutorials. You may ask, why would I be sharing such information? Well, I want to give something back. I too was helped in the past, and I always promised myself, once I'd made my success, I would help others. So, are you ready to change your life? All you have to do is start watching my videos and implement the processes. And you can start today. Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button to make sure you don't miss any updates and amazing new videos.